Hi and welcome. We're giving you a closer look at the Artistro watercolor set, and we'll show you exactly how the set arrives and swatch the colors out for you. So this comes with a sample pack of acid-free watercolor paper, and this is nice and thick paper. It's 140 pounds. And then the actual set of watercolors. It comes in a really nice tin, so if you like to paint on the go, then this is a nice little carrying case. Let's look inside. There's a swatching guide and a cute little sticker, and a template that shows you all of the colors. Here's a close-up. And I'll get the paints prepared for a swatch so that you can see exactly what the colors are going to look like. So what I'm doing is adding just a tiny drop of water to each color, and this is just going to help pick up the paint more easily. The water will soak in a little bit and help get that pigment onto the brush. And you can see how that little bit of water helps prepare the paint. Okay, now for the swatching. So I'll just go ahead and swatch all the colors. As I'm doing this, I'm cleaning off the brush before I go ahead and get the next color. The nice thing about watercolor paints is that they can be as opaque or light just by adding more water or picking up less pigment into the brush. It does take practice when you're using watercolors, and if you're new to watercolors, it's nice to start practicing with just a simple swatch, and then you know exactly what the colors are going to look like on your paper. So then when you're ready to make your actual painting, you can refer to the swatch and see what colors you want to go with. And a cool thing about sets like these is that there's just endless amounts of colors that you can make just by blending them together or using them how they are in the pans. And already I can tell you guys, this is a really good set. The colors are well mixed and they're going on nice and pure. We get in lots of products to test here, and sometimes watercolor paints won't be true to the colors that they say they are, especially the blue colors, but so far these are really great. And it all depends on the kind of paper that you're applying the paint to as well. This is a bright white paper, so it's going to show all the true colors of this pan. Okay, so that's all the colors. And now let's go into the metallics and show you how they look on a black surface. The set comes with a couple golds, a bronze, and a silver, so I'll just get these swatched out for you so you can see exactly what they look like. And these will get a little bit darker once they've had a chance to dry. Once the light hits them, you can really see the pigments shine, and there's a little bit of superfine sparkle that I can see up close. Okay, now I'm going to do a super quick watercolor painting using the wet on wet technique, and that means I'm getting the paper all nice and wet with a soft brush. Then I go into the paint and lay it down. It's going to spread out and start making different shapes and effects onto the paper, and this is the paper that is included in this set. I'm going in with magenta and just kind of dabbing this color here and there. And you can see how getting the paper wet first will take that paint in all kinds of directions. And this is just one way to paint. There's lots of different ways to use watercolors. You can just play with your painting as much as you like, but do be careful about the colors because it's super easy to make them muddy, and that's never a good look. But you can go in once the painting is dry and layer on a little bit more if that's the look you're going for. Then I'll start to pick out areas to make them a little bit more darker, and I can start to see some flowers forming. I'll just put a little bit more up here. Now we'll go in with the olive green and make some leaves, and you can make them as light or dark as you like, but having different shades will definitely give the painting more interest. Now with some Payne's Gray, I'm going to add some darker details to the flowers. And you can just call it finished like that, but what's really popular right now is going over paintings with a darker fine liner, and it just gives it more details, and this look makes it really pop. So just kind of pick out the shapes that you like and go over the piece. And the beauty of this technique is that you're not really looking for perfection, just kind of keep it nice and whimsical. This would make a great little bookmark or a gift for someone, or you can make it into a card too, just so many ways. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!